Alright, y'all, so I done made it to Bath and Body Works. Hey y'all, what's going on? It's your girl, Missnaturalshay. Boo boo. Right hand, left hand, boo. I got 2 bags, one in the right and one in the left. I got 2 bags. So y'all, let me take my specs off, my shades. Let me put on my specs. How y'all doing? It's your girl, Missnaturalshay, and today I have for you a semi-annual sale of the Bath and Body Works Boo Boo. I'm so excited to show y'all what I got, okay? So let me pull this down a little bit. Let me move back a little bit. I'm a little bit too close. Hold on. Y'all like my dress? Oh, I wish I could see the whole fit because I was cute today, boo. Cute, okay? But anyway, y'all, I got my 2 bags right here, and I'm so excited to show y'all what I got from the Bath and Body Works. So y'all, as y'all can see in the footage before, like the clip before, I did a little bit of B-roll for y'all. They only had one little 75% off table. Everything else was either 50% off or they had $5.95, which I wish it was $4.95. I know in the beginning, of course, they had the $4.95. I guess it lasted for a day or 2. I'm not sure. But I didn't get to go there until today. So it was $5.95 specials. The 75% off table. I said I wasn't going to do the 50% off bug. Yo, that I had to get the ones that was 50% off. Alright, receipt. Y'all ready? Look at this long ass receipt. Like, boo-boo. What you get? What you get? What you get? I got 14 products. I saved $116.38. And I spent $88.62. And I had a $10 off because it really rang up at $98.62. But I took that $10 off of 40 coupon to take me down to $88.62. And since I live in Delaware, boo-boo, 0 tax for Delaware. If y'all can see it, 0 tax for Delaware. That's a perk for living in Delaware, born and raised. But anyway, that's not what y'all came here for. Y'all came here to see my goodies. So let me show y'all my goodies. And I ain't even turned on my ring light, y'all. Let me turn this thing on so y'all can really see us, sis. Okay? Ooh. Anyway, y'all. So yeah, y'all. Sorry about the dim light earlier. I was not even thinking. I'm just hyped to get this video popping. So we're gonna start off in our little itty bitty bag. And I have the first scent that I have, y'all, is called Honeysuckle Peach Tea. This thing smells good. So I got it in the body mist and I got it in the body wash. And the fragrance notes is honeysuckle blossoms. I'm sorry, honeysuckle blooms, juicy peaches, and sweet tea. This reminds me just a tad bit of the Georgia sweet tea or something like that. I remember some years back, maybe around like 2017 or so, they had a Georgia sweet tea or something like that out. But this thing, yo, smell good. Yes, you smell like a nice old fresh juicy peach. Yes, can't wait to put this on after I shower down with this. Yes, yo, if they had it in the moisturizer and body wash, I would have got it, but they only had it in the shower gel. So got those two. And these were dang, the honey. Okay, hold on. I'm about to tell y'all. The honey, where you at? They were 606 because they were a 50% off item. All right, the next, most of my stuff is 50% off. Yo, when my girl Living Ash was talking about perfect peony, I was thinking, I don't want to smell like a flower. But she said, you don't need to get this in your life. And yo, I smelled it a while ago. And it smells so good. Like, it just smells so nice. And I don't even know what the, it just smells so good, guys. I wish I could tell y'all the, fragrance notes, but it don't even have one on the back. Of course, peony is, of course, like the main smell, but it just smells good, y'all. Like, oh, I can't wait to smell like this. Oh, can't wait. Oh, I'm just so excited, y'all. It don't make no sense. Then the next two items I got are shower gels, and I got the beachfront blanket, and this was a 50% off as well. Like, all these was 50% off. I don't know, like, I told myself, girl, you're not gonna buy no 50% off items. You're gonna go to the 75% off table first, then you're gonna go to the I thought it was gonna be $4.95, but it's $5.95. I was like, you going to the $5.95 table and that's it? No. Here I go, walking all over the store, getting the good scents though. So this one is beachfront blanket. It just smells so good. This one has fresh white linen, summer sun rays, and soft musk. I smell the soft musk. I love anything that has a musk to it. Ooh. So this is like a nice fresh. Yeah, I love it. Can't wait to try this. Then this one right here. Here's another one. I do love hydrangeas for the flower. It's called Coastal Hydrangeas. And the keynotes is fresh hydrangeas, ocean mist, and golden apple. I definitely smell an apple. It smells so good. Yo, when I tell y'all, I can't wait to take showers with these daggone scents. Boo-boo, I'm gonna have the whole bathroom, whole house set it up. Especially the bathroom. Alright, so that was one bag down. So I had 5 items in that bag. Now let's move on to this big. Well, it's still the same size, but it's heavy. So let's move on to this one. So the first one I'm going to pick out is the Saltwater Breeze. Again, this is another scent that Living Ash said to buy. And the fragrance notes is fresh linen, violet leaves, water blossom, and white musk. Y'all already know musk boo-boo smells good. I can smell it. Ooh, already. I can smell it already. Yo. This smells so good. I just love it. Like, y'all, this time I got me some really good, nice scents. I can't wait to use them. And then all they had was this. They didn't have no lotion, no body wash, body gel, nothing. All they had was just the mist. But I'm cool because I wanted it. I wish they had it in the perfume, but I ain't seen it in perfume. The only one that they did have in the perfume for 50% off, they didn't have any 75% off perfumes. They only had one, and that was the Perfect Peony. And I was like, nah, I'm not gonna pay $20 for the little teeny. I mean, the bottle is like this teeny small, like little shorty doo-wop. No, I'm cool. So the next item that I have, oh yes, this is another good one that my girl Living Ash said we gotta get in our collection. So I'm like, let me smell it, because I done seen this before, but I ain't ever smelled it, and I don't know why. But this thing, little black party dress. The notes is frosted nectarine, black peony, and white patchouli. See, this is why I like this, because the patchouli, I love patchouli, I love musk. Anything with musk, sandalwood, patchouli, I'm here for it. So this smells really good, y'all. Oh, I smell it from the lid because I sprayed it earlier. It's just like a grown lady, sexy, sensual Yes, you know. Ooh. So I got this, and I got the body lotion. I probably should have got the shower gel, but I might go back before the semi-annual sale leaves for the summer. I might go back. But y'all need this in your life. Y'all need the salt water in your life. Y'all need the perfect peony in your life. And if you like peach smells, you need the honeysuckle peach in your life. And of course, this one smells good too. The beachfront blanket in your life. All right, next one that I have is Twinkling Nights. I got the spray, and I got the I can't even talk, y'all. And I got the lotion. So the fragrance notes is frosted jasmine petals, whipped vanilla, and mandarin blossoms. This thing smells good too. I can still smell it. I smell vanilla. That's the first thing I smell is vanilla. It smells really nice. I wouldn't say, let me see. I would say Little Black Dress first. Perfect Peony second. Saltwater Breeze third. Twinkling Lights fourth. Then, oh yeah, I forgot I got two. I'm like, oh, hold up. But yeah, I did get two. I got two Saltwater Breeze because I don't know if they're going to keep this in stock or like, you know, keep it or whatever. So, yes, it smells good, y'all. So, yes, get this. And then I got the Triple Berry Martini. This smells good as well. And the keynotes for this is pomegranate juice, black raspberry liqueur, and strawberry sugar. This is a nice scent. That's a nice, cute little fruity scent. But it smells good, y'all. So I would say this will be, because I'm more of the musk, the patchouli, the sandalwood, stuff like that. First, I love vanilla scents too. So I would say after, oh, I got one more to show y'all. Then I'm gonna put them in order real quick. So one more, this is a good one too. Daydream. So it looks like, y'all, I didn't get none of the 75%. And none of the, because it looked like I got all of the 50% off. What the world, girl? What was she thinking? I didn't get any $5.95s. And I didn't get, okay, the Daydream was a 75% off. That's what's up. Because everything else was 50% off. Okay. So anyway, this one was 75% off. And this one, I don't even know the keynotes because they don't have it on here. But it's okay. Let me just spray that thing. I smell it already. It smells good. Okay, so let's go ahead and put these in order of my favorite to least favorite, I'm gonna say. So what y'all need in your life first and foremost, I'm gonna say, ooh, it's a tie between Little Black Party Dress. I'm gonna go with Little Black Party Dress first, then Perfect Peony. And then I'm gonna go with Saltwater Breeze. So these top three. Then I'm gonna go with, ooh, let me see which one. I'm gonna go with Twinkling Nights fourth. So we got Twinkling Nights fourth. And then Daydream is gonna be number 5. Daydream number 5. And then number 6 is gonna be, now which one? Because honey, ooh. I'm gonna go with Triple Berry Martini for number 5. Let me see if I can hold all these up at the same time, y'all. Only got, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then in 7th place is gonna be the Honeysuckle Peach Tea. So only if you like peach scents, I would say get this one. And I do like peach scent, so that's why I got it. But the other ones, this should be number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Or if you just want to do the top 3, I would say have all 3 of these. And if you want to do a top 4, then have, what did I say? Hold on. I'm gonna go with top 4 right here. Alright, y'all, so that was the end of that bag. I so enjoy going to the semi-annual sale. I sure enjoy going to the semi-annual sale. Y'all probably think I'm crazy. I am. I'm crazy for smelling good, feeling good, and all that great stuff. So, y'all, thank you guys for watching. I did not know I was going to talk for 15 minutes, but I did. It's cool, though. I'm going to go ahead and get this video up today on a Friday. So, anyways, guys, I hope y'all have a beautiful weekend, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Give me a big thumbs up to let me know that you like these type of videos. And I do post weekly, so just make sure you got your notification bell on so y'all can be notified every time I post a video. And I love you guys for watching. Peace.